Peace.
Can you find a deer?
Yeah, got him.
Can you find a deer this time?
Reindeer games.
Let him walk through. Look at him.
What's looking at him?
Oh, yeah.
What's going to do there? Oh, perfect picture.
Well, it doesn't like try to attack
Oh,
us.
I got it.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
See.
Oh yeah, I got some more.
Look at him coming.
Oh, wow, he's perfect.
Don't move or don't talk. Look like somebody towards us, maybe.
It's on TV and it's
No?
I have it's fucking
Oh, really?
actually cocky.
Oh, shit.
What? Do you attack if you
Did you
do?
ever see the world TV? Yeah, buck. He gets attacked.
Well, it's not a buck.
Oh, a buck, yeah, but
I think a buck around here though.
true.
Yeah, I don't.
Don't see one, though.
Sticky, no.
Oh, God. Come right at us.
Bodies are going dead.
I don't like how they come towards us. It's a little weird.
I think they're pretty friendly to people, though.
I hope so, too. They're coming this way.
It's just a taxi right there.
Must be where the trail is.
Yeah. I don't know. I don't see that.
What animal? I can't see.
The bodies are going.
His head's
I keep stopping and looking.
Oh,
There we go. Man, you can't even see them. They're like so deep in the bushes.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Man, they probably love it up here. They can hide anywhere, really.
Look at him go.
Oh, go. They like jump right up over it.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
that was amazing.
That was cool.